Isaiah ahead of the field. 2.
Oh man, he's one of the fastest guys in
Running like he had it all lined up. He was even close to the basket. It's
Hello.
Now that was spectacular.
Little hesitation move, goes to the basket for 2. What a show Isaiah is putting on. Going to the basket, it's 2 for Isaiah. Takes it. Makes it. Oh! To the basket for 2.
See Isaiah on that spin, used his body. He's open.
Draining in this half and then getting the basketball, because a lot of good things will happen, not just with him scoring, but then also with
the drive. I want to see it again. This could be his pick and angle. Tell me that won't be number 1 of the night on everybody's list.
game plan. They just got to get Boozer on.
Isaiah drains it. Isaiah throws it up, gets 2. Move goes to the basket for 2. Once again, going to the basket. It's 2 for Isaiah.
Once again, he is fearless.
Well, the defense has done it.
Tell me how good that guy is, will you?
He is fearless.